Welcome to our black and white home decorating guide. Whether you are looking to give your home a contemporary and luxurious feel, or you just want to add a bit of sophistication to your space, black and white interior design is a great choice. In this video, we'll be exploring some of the best black and white home decorating ideas, from bold colors to subtle accents. We'll also discuss the benefits of using black and white for interior design, as well as the best ways to incorporate these colors into your home. So if you're looking to give your home a modern and expensive look, keep watching. When it comes to creating a modern and luxurious look in your home, nothing quite beats a bold black and white color palette. From sleek contemporary furniture pieces to vintage-inspired accessories, black and white home decorating is timeless and an elegant way to transform any space. To get started, choose a few key pieces of furniture in either black or white to create a strong visual contrast. For example, a white sofa paired with a black armchair creates a striking look that will draw the eye. You can also use contrasting colors to create visual interest in your space. For example, try pairing a black accent wall with a white rug to create a beautiful contrast. To enhance your black and white home decorating, add furniture and accessories in complementary shades. Look for pieces in shades of gray, ivory, and silver to create a more subtle but still sophisticated look. You can also add texture, pattern, and depth to a black and white design by incorporating items like artwork, rugs, and pillows in contrasting colors. Try using a patterned black and white rug to bring in a touch of texture, or a few black and white abstract prints to add a modern flair. By choosing a bold black and white color palette and adding furniture and accessories in complementary shades, you can create a modern and luxurious look in any room of your home. With a little creativity and the right pieces, you can create a timeless and elegant interior design that will stand the test of time. To take it a step further, incorporate a dramatic statement piece in your design to create a focal point. For instance, why not invest in a plush velvet sofa or leather ottoman to bring a touch of opulence and glamour? This bold piece will act as the centerpiece of your room, commanding attention and making a strong style statement. You can further emphasize the luxurious look by incorporating accent pieces such as lighting and artwork to complete the look. When it comes to achieving a modern and expensive look with black and white, the possibilities are truly endless. The combination of black and white also creates a timeless and classic look that will never go out of style. With the right statement pieces and accessories, you can easily create an atmosphere of sophistication and elegance. When it comes to creating a modern and expensive look with black and white home decorating ideas, luxurious fabrics and materials are key. By incorporating fabrics such as velvet, leather, and silk, you can instantly elevate the look of any space. Marble is another great material to use when creating an expensive look. Whether you're opting for a marble countertop or a marble tiled floor, this material can instantly make any space look more upscale. For a more modern touch, you can also incorporate high-shine metallics in gold or silver tones. When it comes to the overall design, stick to a minimalist style. This will create a modern look and keep the focus on luxurious materials. Using different textures and materials such as velvet, leather, or wood is another great way to add a luxurious flair. By incorporating a few accent colors, you can add a luxurious touch to your space. Consider using a bold color for furniture, artwork, or accent pieces, such as a bright red chair or a gold-framed painting. You can also incorporate a few metallic accents to add a touch of glamour to your design, such as a silver lamp or a chrome table. By combining these elements, you can create a modern and luxurious black and white interior design that will impress your guests. When it comes to creating a modern and expensive look with black and white home decorating ideas, don't forget about statement lighting pieces. Lighting can make or break a room's design, and statement pieces can add texture and interest to the design. Look for lighting pieces with intricate shapes, bold colors, and interesting materials to make the space stand out. Mixing different high-quality materials can also create a luxurious feel and add richness to the space. Don't forget to add modern accents like geometric shapes, clean lines, and bold patterns to create a contemporary feel. With the right mix of black and white furniture, statement lighting pieces, and luxurious materials, you can create a modern and expensive look in any room. The key is to think of the space as a whole and focus on the details that will bring the look together. By incorporating texture and modern elements, you can create a stunning black and white design. Finding the perfect balance between modern and refined is possible with black and white interior home decorating ideas. With these simple yet elegant color combinations, you can create a look that is both chic and sophisticated. Whether you choose to go for a classic black and white palette or opt for something more daring, you can be sure that your home will look stylish and polished. Remember, the key to creating a luxurious look is to keep things simple and to always choose quality pieces that will stand the test of time. Thank you for tuning in. Watch this next video for even more inspiration, and remember to live life fabulously.